So which terminology do you have? Electronic circuit. What the terminology you have, students?
Electronics engineering.
What is it? Second definition?
Is a sub-discipline
Means what?
branch
Of
electrical engineering which emerged in early 20th century and is distinguished by additional use of active components such as semiconductor devices to amplify and control electric current flow.
So simply, this is the one of the branch of what? Electrical engineering. So in electrical engineering, you have biomedical engineering, mechatronics engineering. So you have some branches, renewable energy engineering, right? All of them are different branches or a branch of electrical engineering, which emerged in 2030 in early 20th century. So this is modern physics in terms of electronic science. And it's distinguished, so how do you distinguish electronics from what? Electrical. We just distinguish it by additional use of what? Active components. Give me example of active component that you know. Give me example of active component that you know. Transistor. Another one? Integrated circuit. Another one?
amplifier.
Operational amplifier. Another one? Operational amplifier is also built in integrated circuit. So that another example is what? Diode. Another example? Huh? You have finished all the examples.
Transform.
Transformer. No. Transformer is not active component. What the meanings of active when you say that something is active? What do you understand?
It's a component which have a source of electric.
Source of electric.
Depending on source of electric.
Okay. What does it mean when you say active?
Are components which require energy source they can work.
Active components are the components that require energy source in order to work. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now the definitions if also you define it respect to what passive. But what's the particular property for the diode to be active component? Why do you call a diode as active component, transistor active component? What the reason?
It does not work without source of energy.
It does not work without source of energy. Yeah, just repeating what Gideon said there. So do you want to tell me that these components they don't need energy when you want them to work? Huh? Or in other words, the last definition for electronics engineering. So you say that electronics engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with what? Design, say design.
Design.
Fabrication, say fabrication.
Fabrication.
So there's a particular module that's called fabrication, so you learn it in next years. Then operation, say operation.
Operation.
Have you ever seen the operation? So we say that actually in electronics engineering, the resource that we have is to design and fabrication. So we deal design, fabrication, and operation of what? Of circuit, devices, and systems. Okay? Okay.
What's the meaning of fabrication?
Fabrication. Fabrication, actually, this is the process used in electronics engineering for to make something, to make a certain circuit, or to make a certain product, certain electronics product. But when you are making it, you'll be making by using industrial procedures. That means a 40 of fabrication. So for example, you can say that fabrication of 40 of a particular circuit in this PCB board. Okay? That remains a 40. Then you have 6 terminology, which is theory. Isn't it? Huh?
Yes.
So here you have a fundamental question. What is theory? What is theory? So what is theory? Then here I have again another challenging question for you. What is electronic theory? So what is electronic theory? So once you have definitions of theory, you can define the second question. So now, because maybe you've been looking or you just found the definition of theory, I'll let you give you 1 minute in order to define this question. So this is question 16.2. Spend the information you have found and try to adjust it in order to define the terminology or the term electronic theory. Nasema nilitoa homework ambayo ilikuwa inahusiana na kudefine terms, si ndio? Na moja ya term nini? Theory. Kwa hiyo umetafuta kabisa, na mimi umetafuta nini maana ya nini? Ya theory. Kwa nataka kwa kuchangamsha haya kwa maana hiyo hiyo ya theory na uelewa wako sasa unajua electronics ni nini, si ndio? Na uelewa wako sasa electronics. Hebu naomba nijibie swali hili basi. Cha. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so try. Do it. What is the meaning of electronic theory?
Is a study